Hi guys, I'm back with the dip powder mani. So before we get started, I do have on my UNT peel off base coat. I'm just using it because my hollow tacos are running out and I didn't feel like opening up another bottle. So these two colors that we're using, Kokomo and Spring Teeny, are from Color My World Dips on Etsy, and I also will be using Color My World's Odorless dip liquids. And these two colors, if I'm not mistaken, were sold in a set as a duo set off of the Etsy Color My World shop on Etsy site. What am I talking about? I'm rambling. So guys, just hang out with me while I do this dip powder application. You guys already know I love my Color My World Odorless dip liquids because I do not have dip flu when I use them. So with odorless dip liquids as well, they are slower drying, and so I always like to lay my finger flat in dip powder or use my pipette. I don't like to dip like at an angle in the jar because I always end up with a ledge on my nail anyway. Just me, user error, and it's okay. I found an alternative: either lay it flat or do the pour over method, or you can use a pipette, a salt spoon, or just pour the powder directly over your nail from the jar into a container of some type. So with odorless dip liquids, because they're slower drying, you just have to be careful with hitting your nails on things because they will leave indentations in your nail, which you can usually pat those down to kind of smooth it out. And so as my nails get longer, I find that I end up with a lot of bumps and things like that on my nail just because I'm goofy. So guys, the next color I'm going to use is Spring Teeny, and the first layer I'm pouring over, and this color is so pretty to me. It has a lot of small hexagonal glitters in there. It has green, some orange in there, pinks, and they have some really tiny glitters. Really pretty fine glitter dip powder. I love it. So, but what I didn't like, I'm sorry y'all, I did not like Kokomo against my skin tone. I liked it on the swatch stick, I liked it on the site, but I did not like it against my skin tone. I think it just looked like dead fingers to me. And y'all know what I mean by dead fingers. Like, I think it made my skin look darker than what it really is. And it just didn't complement my skin color. Just me. with the second coat, I'm then going to lay my finger flat and I'll pick up a lot more glitter. And it's just a way to not overload your nail with a bunch of glitter. Plus, if you're not using peel off base coat and you put a bunch of glitter dip powder on your nail, good luck getting that off. Glitter dip powder takes forever to soak off, in my opinion, and what I've experienced before I started using peel off base coat on my natural nails or on top of my builder gel. Put some glitter on your natural nails, dip powder, do your prep. That glitter is going to be so hard to get off. So I decided to be just a tiny bit extra with this mani. I didn't add anything extra outside of this little swoop on the side of my middle finger. I'm just getting that on there, and then I'll lay my finger flat, brush it off, and then do a second layer. It applied a nice subtle kind of accent nail, if you want to say that. And I was going to apply some rhinestones, but y'all listen, I had a pastel set. And I've used it in a past mani like last year, and I got the pastel rhinestones off of Amazon, but y'all, I couldn't figure out the colors because it has like pastel orange, yellow, green, blue, and I just could not get two to match up. They were just looking too much alike, and I was like, okay, my old eyes are playing tricks on me with these freaking glasses on, and these lights is playing tricks on me. So I didn't add anything extra because I couldn't find two rhinestones to match up, and I couldn't use my husband's eyes because he was doing something. I think he was working. That's what he was doing. He was in the other room working, so I couldn't really bother him. So nothing extra. This is all the extras you get with this mani today. So I went in and encapsulated the 3 nails with glitter in Color My World's clear, which is a great clear, by the way. And I'm brushing that off, y'all. I'm using my little brush that I got off the Daily Charm mystery box, spring mystery box. I'm going in and applying activator. I'll wait about 5 minutes after that, and then I'll do my fouling and buffing off camera, and then I will go in and do my top coat. So after my filing and buffing, I brush off excess dust, and then I spray my nails with water and take a paper towel and remove anything extra that was left from that the brush didn't clear all. Get it all off. What am I talking about? Clear all. And then I'm going in with activator, and I honestly don't even give that a whole bunch of time to dry. As soon as I get to that thumbnail, I'm going in with my little cloth that I get off of Amazon. They are nice and soft. I love those things. And so I'm just going in, removing excess activator that hasn't dried yet or just sitting on the nail. And then I'll go in and apply 2 coats of the Odorless top coat. And y'all, this top coat has a nice shine. Triple D's has a nice shine. This Odorless dip top coat from Color My World has a nice shine as well. There's only one Odorless liquid that I have not, that I don't like the shine. It's actually too cumbersome to use. You have to be very careful. But this one, y'all, it's just like applying regular dip top coat. It dries nice, doesn't take long to dry, and it dries nice and shiny. So guys, after that dries, which usually takes about 5 to 8 minutes after I apply that second coat, I'm going to go in and apply my favorite cuticle oil. So guys, if you found value, go ahead and like this video if you found value, or you like what you see, hit that like button, give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and leave a comment. Let me know what you think, and subscribe to my channel. It is free, and I would really appreciate it. So I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I will see you next week. Thank you so much for watching.